I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Myself, Dr. Sujit Ghosh from channel Dr. Ghosh Presents. You know, I am doing for last more than 1 year videos on homeopathy. There are 4 different playlists. Homeopathic therapeutics in Bangla, homeopathic therapeutics in English, homeopathic remedy picture in Bangla, homeopathic remedy picture in English. Now actually what I want to say is that you will get about 12 to 1300 videos on this subject. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Lilium. Full name Lilium TRIGINUM, short name Lilium, common name tiger lily. Source plant vegetable kingdom. This is the image of tiger lily, right side. Source plant vegetable world. Pathogenesis of Lilium. Lilium produces numerous pathological states of pelvic organ in general and female genital organ in particular. It creates relaxed states dependent on those pathological states. It leads to forceful contraction and palpitation of heart. Constitution of Lilium. Physical makeup of Lilium, specially adapted to unmarried ladies suffering from uterine problems. Temperament, irritable, nervous, hysterical temperament. Hot or cold, very hot patient. Miasm, Psora. Mental generals of Lilium. Weeping disposition, can hardly avoid weeping. Very much timid and fearful. Serious depression of spirits, indifferent to what is being done with her. Consolation worsen, complaints. Highly irritable, never speaks decently, nobody can pacify her. Great fear of being alone, about her diseases, as if those were grave and incurable. Always hurried and worried. Irresistible desire to curse and swear, strike or think obscene things. Strike means strikes other. Physical generals of Lilium. It affects more on left side of the body. It is adapted to specially unmarried nervous hysterical ladies suffering from utero-ovarian sagging. Sagging means hanging down. Full, heavy and forced out feeling in uterus, ovary and heart. Wandering, flying, shooting, radiating pain from ovary to heart. To left breast, down the legs, pain in small pots. Backward pain from eyes to occiput. From eyes, look at this picture. From eyes to occiput. From nipples through chest, from heart to left scapula. Physical generals of Lilium, continuation. Pulsation, ebullition, gargling and burnings. Nervous tremors in hypogastrium. Hypogastrium is the abdominal region. This is shown here. The whole abdomen has been divided into 9 quadrants. This picture I have shown many times and I will show in future many times also. So nervous tremors in hypogastrium, in spine and knees also nervous tremor. Venous congestion, discharges acrid. Nervous and hysterical person faint in warm room after standing for a long time. Lilium actually faints very often. Lilium patients. Women exhausted from sexual excesses, mental and uterine or cardiac symptoms alternate. Modalities of Lilium. Words, warmth of rooms, motion, walking, standing, miscarriage, consolation, pressure of bedclothes, jarring. Better, cool, open, fresh air. When busy, lying on left side, sunset, pressure, support, crossing legs, rubbing. Head symptoms of Lilium. Wild feeling in the head making patient crazy. Burning headache dependent on uterine disorders. That is headache dependent on uterine disorders. Worse before and after menses, better at sunset. Headache over left eye to vertex. Over left eye to vertex with vertigo. Eye symptoms of Lilium. Eyes feel sprained, bite and burn, worse from reading. Myopic astigmatism. The pictures are just blurred and cannot see, side picture cannot be seen, has to turn the head sideways to see clearly.
Pains in eyes extend back into head. Weak ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles are the muscles of the eye. Ear symptoms, Lilium. After going to bed, rushing of sounds in ears. Nose symptoms, Lilium. Sneezing ameliorates pain in head and eyes. Mouth symptoms, Lilium. Tongue coated yellowish or white in patches. Taste sweet. Back of mouth. Foul. Taste better from eating. Throat symptoms, Lilium. Hawking of mucus with constant nausea. These are the tongue of Lilium. Stomach symptoms of Lilium. Craving for meat, sour, sweet dainties, aversion to coffee, bread, thirsty before severe symptoms. Sensation as if a hard body rolling around during day only. Rolling around means rolling around within the stomach. Vomiting from displacement of uterus. Abdomen symptoms, Lilium. Skin of abdomen feels stretched, stiff, sore, distended. Cannot bear weight of clothes after menses. Weak, tremulous feeling extending to anus. Heavy dragging down whole abdomen. Contents extending to even organs of chest. That is, contents of chest, abdomen, everything will coming down through opening downwards, mainly and vaginal canals. This is the particular. So actually, it was there for abdominal contents. In other medicine, in Lilium, it has been extended to chest also. That is, as if chest content will be coming down through the wall of through the channel of vagina. Must support the abdomen during dysuria, pressure of rectum with constant desire for stool, better for urination, worse from standing, sharp pain before from gentle rubbing with warm hands, early morning diarrhea, most urgent after rising, cannot wait a moment, stool scanty, frequent with tenesmus. Dysentery during change of life in plethoric women. Change of life means when the patient, lady patient, is in her climaxis, that is menstrual period stopped forever. Sharp pain, better doubling up, tenesmus of rectum and bladder, piles after delivery. Urinary symptoms of Lilium. Constant pressure on bladder with constant desire to urinate and sensation of a ball in the rectum. Urine milky, scanty, hot. If desire is not attended, desire for urination is not attended to, feeling of congestion in the chest. Female symptoms of Lilium. Heavy dragging or outward pressing in pelvis with dysuria as if all organs would escape through vagina. Must hold it. Menses early, scanty, dark, clotted, offensive. Flow only when moving around. Left ovarian pain goes to the left breast or runs down along the thigh. Liquoria thin, brown, acrid, worse after menses. Neuralgic pain in uterus, cannot bear pressure of clothes even, or around uterus region actually. Prolapse or antiversion of uterus. Sexual desire increased, must keep herself busy to avoid that desire. Sensation as if a hard body pressing upon rectum and ovaries, better during walking. Sensation as if a ball under left breast. Respiratory symptoms of Lilium. Oppressive load on chest, air hunger, takes long breath. Sensation as if a lump in the center of chest moving up and down on empty swallowing. Suffocating feeling in a warm room or crowded room, theater, church. Heart symptoms of Lilium. Feels clutched, full to bursting, cold, weak as if hanging by a thread. Angina pectoris with pain in right arm. I have mentioned it as USP, uncommon, strange, peculiar, because angina pectoris generally never occurs with pain in right. It is generally occur with pain in left arm. If it is a pain in right arm, then you can directly give Lilium without any other symptom, one single symptom. Worse on stooping, lying on right side. Better from rubbing or putting pressure. Palpitations. Pulse irregular, very rapid, pulsation all over the body. Neck and back symptoms of Lilium. Neck aches, worse on tired. This is tiring. Broken feeling between scapula. Sensation of pulling upward from the tip of coccyx. Here, this is actually the lower portion of spine, and this is pain feeling on the right side, angina. Extremity symptom, Lilium, pain from hip to hip, cannot walk on uneven ground, legs ache, cannot keep them still, as of a cool wind blowing on legs, burning in palms and soles, trembling of knees, pricking of fingers, paralytic stiffness of fingers, staggering gait. This is staggering gait. Staggering gait you can better understand when a particular drunkard, say damn drunkards walking, that is staggering gait, cannot walk straight, joints feel dry. Skin symptoms of Lilium, tingling, formication, burning in various parts, sleep and back symptoms. Lilium, unable to sleep owing to wild feeling in head. Fever symptoms of Lilium, chilly in cold open air. Related medicines, aloe, platina, pulsatilla and spichilla. With this Lilium, the characterization and in the picturization of this Lilium ends. Thanks for listening, viewing. Any problem, please write down in the comment section. I would certainly attend.